Join us here today with a very special Facelift Gen 2 R8 V10 Plus. Classic, isn't it? We've been asked about a particular part for some time now, and we've actually now got a solution for it. So if you follow me to the back of the car, we've got a very nice carbon engine brace. So this is what you can see here, is a carbon brace. So this is completely carbon fibre, including even the ends as well. So this thing, I don't know, we'll find out shortly. Let's give it away, shall we? But I would say it's probably not much more than half a kilo. But it's a really nice piece and it will accentuate the engine bay. So as you can see, currently this engine bay is completely standard. You've got a lot of plastics and then you've obviously got the aluminium cross brace on the back. And for those who already have the carbon bay, the carbon package, they've been asking, do you have an option for the carbon brace? And now, fortunately we do, which is that part. So we're gonna get this one on today. We'll show you some videos once it's installed. It's not crazily complicated. Two of the bolts are actually exposed here already, so those bits are easy, but the back ones just need the side panels removing. So we're gonna do a little bit of filming on that today, and yeah, we'll see what it looks like installed. So the engine brace is now on. If you come around and have a look at this side, Tim, you'll see this thing installed and it looks amazing. It's really made a big difference to that engine bay. Don't get me wrong, it's not a bad starting place. You can see through the glass and see this great big engine. It looks pretty mean, but this engine brace is pretty stunning. And the eagle-eyed amongst you will see actually we've done a little bit of carbon on the engine bay as well. So this is something that we've done additionally too. You guys can check that out in another video that's going to come later on. But yeah, I hope that gives you a bit of an insight of this part. It's got a nice color gradient blend in as well from the corners, which gives it a little bit of an extra sort of finishing look, as well as obviously where it's reinforced around the composite ends. It blends the color into a nice lacquered finish. So yeah, really nice part, and I hope you enjoyed the video.